Hello, my biddy bees. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing something that I did that I personally is against everything I've been raised, and that is to not buy from as seen on TV things, any kind of obvious like commercial type things, like any kind of like seen on TV thing, which is what I relate a lot of Instagram ads to, is seen on TV stuff or shopping channel stuff. But I caved in because I thought this just spoke to me in a good way, and that was magnetic lashes where the eyeliner is magnetized. So with regular magnetic lashes that came out a few years ago, like maybe 2 years ago or so, the lashes themselves both had magnets on them, and the thing is that you sandwich the lashes together so that they would attach to each other, creating a full lash look. I actually did a video trying those out with the Ardell ones a year or so ago, and I never really used them after that because they ended up being more trouble than it was worth. Like, it took a long time to actually get them to align properly and to look natural, and it just wasn't worth it in my opinion. And beyond that, I'm just not generally an fake eyelash person, just because I just get frustrated with the glue. If you slip once, it ruins your entire eye look and you have to like wipe it all off, and it's just like tedious. So when I saw this on Instagram, I bought it right away, which seems aggressive, but that's exactly what I did. So I got the M5 lashes when I saw them on Instagram. Oh, something's popping out the bottom. But I saw this on Instagram, bought it within all of 10 seconds, and I got it in the diamond style, which is kind of more of a wispy look. So I'm gonna try that out today for the first time. I've owned this for 2 months and I haven't tried it out yet. I've been saving it to make a video on, so that's where I'm at. And I'm gonna share my first impression with you guys and see if this actually works. So the packaging itself is actually kind of cute. The lashes come in a little compact that opens up with a mirror. I already have them out because when I opened it, it fell all over the place. But they just come in a nice little tray, circular wise, like that. Those are the lashes that I got. And then it also comes with literally like a really good quality applicator tool, which surprised me. I was not at all expecting that from such a cheap budget Instagram purchase. Like, no name brand, just someone who probably found a manufacturer on Alibaba.com and was like, I'm gonna turn this into my brand. So that's exactly what it is, and just spent thousands on Instagram ads. That's exactly what the person did who made this. But yeah, this is what they look like, the ones that I got. So they're not entirely my style, but they are more wispy. They might be too long for my eye length, so I might need to trim them, but let's just try them out first. The eyeliner comes in a cute little plastic container with no branding on it, and let's just try it out. Surprisingly smooth, a little thick, but not in a bad way. Also surprisingly opaque. Has a bit of a baby powder smell, which I don't understand why they even bothered doing that, but okay. So let's just put some on. I'm literally just gonna do it in the way that I normally do my eyeliner, because, oops, that's too much. Because I don't want to have to ever really use this heavily. Like, if I can use this in a nice kind of soft eyeliner shape, would be most ideal. It's a little, like, the brush is kind of not the nicest to use. Like, it's really goopy. Like 100%, I got real messy with it right there. I had eyeliner on this morning, and for some reason I did such a better job applying it than right now. Like, what the heck? I'm doing such a bad job. I did the worst eyeliner job in the world. What the hell? This is embarrassing. performance will be better if you put on eyelash before the eyeliner dried completely. Okay. And refine the eyeliner line also would be preferred perfect performance. I feel like this is definitely gonna wait way too long. Oh my god! It does stick! What? Okay, the inner corner's the real test, because like lash glue never holds my inner corner down. I'm having a hard time grabbing this. Where is it sticking? Oh my. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but the inner corner definitely needs more magnet, but holy crap. I mean, I think I do need more eyeliner. Like a little bit of a thicker line, but I'm impressed. Like, if the wind blows too strong, probably gonna blow away my eyelashes, not gonna lie. But that's like, okay, what I wanna do next is another test, because I have other magnetic lashes that I got originally that I wanted to use regularly, but I just found them too difficult. So I'm gonna get those and see how I like them better and if there's any difference. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I have these ones by Quo. It's a Canadian cosmetic brand that I got earlier this year, and I wanted to use them, but they just like didn't really like them, to be honest. It was just too frustrating. So this is just what they look like. So they're just little wispy demi lashes. Oh my gosh, they're a little too short. I keep sticking to my tool. Oh my god, works! Guys, this is serious business. Okay, I love this. I am in love with this. Well, I'm super impressed. I think I just found my new favorite way to wear eyelashes. Like, I never wear eyelashes because the glue was just way too annoying. Oh my god. Like, my mind is blown. I'm so glad. Oh, buzzkill. You guys want to see a buzzkill? What's happening over here? My eye started watering on the side, and the eyeliner, you see that? It's like lifting up where my eye got watery. So just realized it's not at all waterproof. Anyway, let's put on the one that's supposed to complete the set. But you guys, like, I'm impressed. I think I found my new favorite. I just wish it was more waterproof, because yeah, I can, like, it's just lifting over there. Oh, this one definitely needs to be cut. It's way too big for my eye. I feel so glamorous. What is this? I am in love. What the frick, you guys? I can't believe I like didn't have this for 2 months while I was waiting to film a video for you guys, but I'm happy I shared it with you. Thumbs up this video if you've liked it and if you will buy magnetic lashes. You know what I wish? I wish they would get them in brown liquid eyeliner. If they made this in a brown liquid eyeliner, for the rest of my life, this is what I'll be buying. Like, amazing, absolutely amazing. And I didn't even have to use too much of a thick eyeliner band. I mean, I could have used a little more on the inner corner there. And if they can make it waterproof, like, sold. I'm so sold. Anyway, subscribe if you guys want to see more beauty videos. I am trying to get back into uploading once a week here. I know I fell behind, but life just got crazy. And subscribe to see more. I do beauty and fashion videos and skincare videos, and I love you guys so much. Check out my vlog channel to stay updated on my life as I live in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and I will see you next time. Bye.